Firstly, why do we need to teach everyone about child maltreatment? Well, let's look at the facts. According to the data from the World Health Organization, globally up to 1 billion children have experienced physical, sexual or psychological violence. This is just in the past year. That's over half of all children aged 2 to 17 in our world. We, the adults of this world, have to do something about this. We cannot keep turning a blind eye to these statistics. But the good news is that child abuse is preventable. We have to educate our children, our parents, our communities and governments so that we can make changes to these terrible statistics and create a safer world for all children.